Hello students, in the given figure, L parallel to M and a transversal C cuts them. If angle 1 is to angle 2 equal to 2 is to 3, find the measure of each of the marked angle. Now we have to understand first of all, then we have to give solution, okay? First of all, what questions say L and M is a parallel line. L and M is a parallel lines. L and M is a parallel line and T is a transversal line which cuts them both the line. First of all, we have to write here given what question say we have to write here. Okay, L parallel to M and a transversal T cuts them. Okay, if angle 1 is to angle 2, 2 is to 3, to find the measure of each of the marked angles. Okay, here we got the solution. What was the solution is let angle 1 equal to 2x, angle 2 equal to 3x. Okay, we know that the sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So since angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree, how it is possible? Because there was a linear pair. Okay, so we have to write the value of angle 1 is 2x and the value of angle 2 is 3x equal to 180 degree. So we have find the value of x is 72 degree. 1 minute, sorry, 5 3 ja 15 and 5 5 ja 5 6 ja 30, sorry, 36 degree. So the value of x is 36 degree. Since the value of angle 1 is 2x, so we have to multiply the value of, so we have to write the value of x and we multiply it 2 times, so we get the actual value of angle 1. We have to multiply it, so we got 72 degree, and another one we have to find the value of angle 2, what was 3x. So we have to write the value of x and multiply it to get the real value of angle 2. So when we have multiplied, we got 108 degree. Okay. Now to add it to get 180 degree, to understand our value is correct. 8 to 10, 1 and 7, 1, 8, 1 means our value is correct. Okay. Now we have to find the we have to find the value, actual value, real value of angle 1 and angle 2. Now what will happen here? Since angle 1 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 3 angle what was the value of angle 1 72 degree and angle 2 equal to angle 4 equal to 108 degree because both are vertically opposite angles. Okay, now angle since angle 3 equal to angle 5, angle 3 equal to angle 5 is 72 degree and angle 4 equal to angle 6 equal to 108 degree. Why this happened? A alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. And now we have to got the value of 5 and 6, so we have to again vertically opposite angle, so we got the value of angle 7 and the value of angle 8, so we have to write here angle 5 equal to angle 7 equal to what was the value of angle 5 is 72 degree and the value of angle 6 equal to angle 8 is 108 degree because this was a vertically opposite angle. Okay, in this way we have to find all the values of the measure of each of the marked angle we
right here. Therefore, the value of marked angles is angle 1 equal to angle 3 equal to 72 degree and angle 2 equal to angle 4 equal to 108 degree and angle 3 equal to angle 5 equal to 72 degree, so angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5, so I have to write here angle 4 equal to angle 6 equal to 108 degree and angle 5 equal to angle 7 equal to 72 degree and angle 6 equal to angle 8 equal to 108 degree respectively. In this way we have got the value of marked angles in the figure. Okay, now we have to understand what I am do. In short, I understand you. First of all, we have to know what was the given in question. We have to write here. And second, what was the question say to find out. Then we have to we have to write here. And then we have to do solution. And in last, we have to write here what was the values of these. In this way we have to solve the question to get this is a way to solve the question to get a full marks, and you think that this is a good way. Thank you. We have to meet again next question. Thank you.